currently, since independence, it's only been extendable in the event of war. We've never had cause for such an extension. This is saying that if there's a public emergency, there could be extensions for up to 2 years beyond the 5 years in 6 months, rolling 6 month periods. Essentially, at the instance of the House of Representatives, provided certain majorities exist. Now, in the last 10 years, the majority of the time, the House, the governing side, whether it be PNP or JLP, have had at least 2/3 of the members. Since the 2012 to 2016 government, the PNP had 2/3 of the members, and since 2020, the JLP has had over 2/3. So, in our first past the post system, the possibility of very large majorities is a very live issue. And I certainly would not support the notion that based on one side determining there's a public emergency, they can extend the life of their government beyond 5 years. I think that's a very dangerous concept. And we've seen the way in which states of emergency have been deployed under this government. There have been multiple states of emergency since 2017. So it's a live issue, and this raises grave concerns for me.